Hey, we are back in the new session on Rationality and Religion with Professor Abu Merli.
There are those that say that religion is irrational and that it's a throwback to medievalism and worse, and that it represents all the worst aspects of humanity, the darker side. And I think that position is incorrect. I would say that religion has served as a very stable transgenerational structure, whilst it has been attacked by social disgraces and maladies time again and again. Within it is a interpretive structure which has demonstrated flexibility. What is the proof of its flexibility? Well, the Darwinian proof is its survival. That religions, like none other, more effectively than ideologies, countries, and even races, religions have been able to traverse the travails of time, of decades, centuries, and millennium, and still remain fresh. And that is not because of its homogeneity, that it's remained the same, but rather the opposite, that within it its flexibility and its ability to change. And in fact, ideas do change, and sets of ideas set off other sets of ideas. And so religion is in fact a crucible for many of these for these ideas to play out, and a theatre for them to play out. What I feel is that to teach reference to the incredible, even to the miraculous, is a more fitting model of the future than to teach conservatism. In fact, the most incredible minds may not have predicted what we are going through today in this present day. The religious the fantasies of the most mystical and visionary may not have been able to conceptualize how amazing our reality is, but they certainly were better equipped than those who never even imagined that we could achieve this. So religion, in fact, does prepare for the incredibility of reality. Even today, quantum physicists are talking about multiple worlds and even infinite worlds, and they're describing, even bringing proof of the inflation on an amazing scale. And these ideas are described in mystical works. The most incredible ideas, revolutions in quantum physics of today, are sort of well-known ideas in Jewish mysticism and other forms of mysticism. So, whilst the religionist and the mystic and the visionary were vilified as being naive and being incredulous, today modern physics are saying that perhaps they had something there and that they were really understanding, because the religious mindset was not naive, but rather it used the cutting edge of technology and of science and of toolery, and as is seen in the rituals, that they are the hues and and representatives of great sum totals of civilizational knowledge. So religion certainly is rational and is evolutionary and is a critical function in society.